EMIL LEVEL, the smart laser sensor for remote tank monitoring. EMIL LEVEL is an innovative sensor designed to accurately and safely monitor the liquid level inside any type of tank. All data is transmitted directly to the cloud and to the dedicated app, allowing you to always keep the situation under control wherever you are. Its electro-optical principle, based on the latest laser technology, ensures constant and reliable measurements even under variable operating conditions. EMIL LEVEL is quick and easy to install by following a few simple steps. Just remove the old mechanical level gauge and replace it with EMIL LEVEL. The device comes with all the necessary adapters for different mounting connections already included in the box. Inside the package, a QR code provides direct access to the website, where you can download the quick guide and the full installation manual. Sensor activation can be carried out at any time and from any location, even from the office, thanks to a simple tap and a few steps on the app. Once the sensor is activated, measurements begin and battery consumption starts accordingly. EMIL LEVEL requires no wiring and no external power supply. It operates completely autonomously thanks to its integrated batteries. It can be used with diesel, AdBlue, and other liquids, on fixed or transportable tanks, as well as on generator sets or storage tanks. Thanks to SIM connectivity, integrated GPS, and the app available for Android and iOS, EMIL LEVEL allows you to remotely monitor every detail: liquid levels, location, and measurement history. An advanced yet easy-to-use system designed to make tank management safer, more efficient, and fully connected. EMIL LEVEL communicates intelligently. The high-precision laser sensor performs an automatic measurement every hour based on predefined or customized centimetric tables and sends data to the cloud only when there is a change in liquid level or sensor position. If no changes are detected, the system still sends an update every 2 days to confirm correct operation, ensuring optimized energy consumption. The connectivity system has been developed to ensure stable, low-power communications. Even in the absence of network coverage, the sensor continues to operate. It stores up to 150 measurements with an offline backup of up to 7 days and automatically updates the app as soon as the data connection is restored. EMIL LEVEL is always connected thanks to the integrated eSIM with 2 years of subscription included, renewable directly from the app, no complex configurations required. All data collected by the sensor is processed and sent to a mobile application. The EMIL LEVEL app is available on Google Play and the Apple App Store. The app allows the creation of both corporate and personal accounts, protected by passkeys with shared sensor visibility. This enables the entire team to securely and efficiently monitor tank levels while also receiving information about battery status, connectivity, and subscription details. Each sensor is associated with a specific corporate account and can only be accessed by authorized users with the passkey. This means that in case of loss or theft, the sensor cannot be used by unauthorized third parties. EMIL LEVEL automatically measures the level every hour. But whenever you need an instant update, you can get a real-time reading simply by bringing your smartphone close to the sensor. EMIL LEVEL is equipped with an integrated NFC chip. The reading can be performed locally, updating only the device used, or online, updating data for the entire corporate account. It is also possible to activate standby mode to avoid unnecessary battery consumption. Standby mode can be set permanently or scheduled according to a predefined calendar. Within the app, you can access all the data collected by the sensor: fuel level, liquid temperature, tank inclination, and a log of the last 150 readings with corresponding GPS location. The app also displays the list of tanks associated with the sensors, with reserve level highlighted in yellow and red for immediate and intuitive visualization. EMIL Level is compatible with most of our tanks. The app already includes, as standard, a complete list of pre-installed centimetric tables. However, the sensor can be installed on any type of tank by entering the required measurements. You can upload an existing centimetric table or have one automatically generated by the app. EMIL Level is built to last. Electro-optical laser sensor, NB-IoT, Cat-M connectivity, replaceable batteries, wide operating temperature range, and international compatibility in 5 languages. Thanks to EMIL Level, you can always know the fuel level in your tank, wherever you are. EMIL Level, the future of level monitoring.